I think perhaps the best way to get a feel for just what Tableau can do is to give you an example, a quick example. We have a data set here, it's an Excel spreadsheet called Superstore. I already have it open in Excel. Save a little bit of time. It's got a list of about 2,000 transactions, a lot of information in here. And our manager has asked us to take this information and to help her understand which states that we work in are most profitable. And she would like to see a map as well. So we're going to use Tableau. I'm going to start Tableau Public. Get it cranked up here. And when it opens up, we have this connect page, and we're going to connect to that Excel file. So I'm going to click on Excel, and I have previously navigated to that file. So I'm just going to click on the file and click Open. And we're now at our data source. We're connected to that Superstore Excel file. It's got 3 worksheets. We're going to work with just the orders worksheet, and I'm going to click on that and drag it over here where it says drag tables, so we can just see again, this is the information we're going to be using when we create our graphic, our data visualization. So I'm going to click on sheet 1 where it says go to sheet 1, and now we've got our empty map, our empty graphic rather. So we're going to start out. I'm going to take country, and I'm going to drag it here where it says drop field here, and Tableau figures out that that's going to require a map, and it gives us a map of North America. We want just the United States, so I'm going to find state over here and drag it onto the map as well. And now we're focused in just on the United States. We're interested in profit, so I'm going to find the profit down here. We call these things pills. Once you highlight on those little, this is a green one, a green profit pill. I'm going to drag that up here to color. And now we've got a color code for our states. And you can see over here on the right, it's a continuous spectrum from minus 19,000, a loss, to plus 37,000. So the dark blue is where there's a lot of profit. The oranges and the yellows are where we're losing money. And so we can kind of get a feel for that. But let's make this map a little bit more understandable. I'm going to again go over here to state, and I'm going to drag that to label so we can label the states. And then I'm going to find profit again, click on that, and drag that over to label. So now we've got each of the states labeled with their profit, and we can actually drag this legend over here to the side, make our map a little bit bigger. So there, very quickly, we created a map which shows us which states have the most profit, which states have the least profit. Now, I didn't show you any detail about what I was doing there. We'll go through all those steps in later portions of the module. So just hang on, but I hope this gives you a little idea of how fast you can create a useful data visualization using Tableau.